Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Miss Parvati Chougule, your first grade English teacher. Students, what we were learning? Yes, we were learning English grammar. In that, today we are going to see lesson number 5 of English grammar. Articles. Once again, what is the name of our lesson? Articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. Okay. So now we will start this lesson with a small warm up. See, who are these in the pictures? Say a sentence about each as shown in the example. Okay, see here, one example is given to us. What is the example? This is a doctor. What you are able to see in the picture is a doctor. Then sentence is, this is a doctor. So now in the next picture, what you are seeing? Yes, this is a policeman, isn't it? So what we will write here? See, T-H-I-S. This is a police. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police, isn't it? This is a police. Now what is this? Yes, this is a shop, isn't it? This is a shop. So what we will write here? See, T-H-I-S. This is a shop. S-H-O-P. Shop, isn't it? This is a shop. Now next. What is this in the picture? Yes, this is a teacher, isn't it? So we will write here, this is a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Okay. Now take down in your textbook. This is page number 31. Page number 31. This is a doctor, this is a police, this is a shop, this is a teacher. Okay. Now, have you completed? So now we will read one paragraph. Okay, let us read. Read the paragraph given below. Pay attention to the words in italics. What we have to do? We have to read this paragraph and pay attention to the words in italics. See now, I will read the paragraph. You have to listen it carefully. Yesterday, Amisha went to the zoo with her parents. First, she saw a bear. See here, these are the words in italic. A bear, a lion and a tiger. Later, she saw an elephant. What she saw? Later, she saw an elephant. She had an apple. She had an apple and an ice cream for lunch. And for lunch, what she had? She had an apple and an ice cream for lunch. After lunch, she saw a camel. And after lunch, what she saw? After lunch, she saw a camel and a zebra. Later, she saw an ostrich and an owl. And later what she saw? Later she saw an ostrich and an owl, isn't it? Later she saw an owl and an ostrich. Now once again we will read. Pay attention to the words which I have underlined. See now. Yesterday Amisha went to the zoo with her parents. First she saw a bear, a lion and a tiger. Later she saw an elephant. She saw a bear, a lion and a tiger. Later she saw an elephant. She had an apple and an ice cream for lunch. And for lunch what she had? She had an apple and ice cream for lunch. After lunch she saw a camel and a zebra. Later she saw an ostrich and an owl. And later what she saw? She saw an ostrich and an owl. Now see what the words in the italic represents us. The words in italics are called articles. So what the words in italics are called? Yes, the words in italics are called as articles, isn't it? The words in italics are called as articles. So here a, an are the articles, isn't it? Yes. We use a and an only before singular nouns. And what? Yes, we use a and an only before singular noun. Now what do we mean by singular noun, children? Yes, when the things we have are one in number, means they are single, they are called as singular nouns. For example, see what I am having. This is a marker. How many markers do I have? Only one. So this is a marker, isn't it? This is a singular noun, example of singular noun. So like this, we use a and an only before singular noun, and we use a and an only before singular nouns. Examples: a dress. Example: a dress, a bag, a torch, an ox. So these are the examples. We have used a before dress because the dress is only one, that is example of singular noun. A dress, one dress, a bag, one bag, a torch, one torch, and an ox, one ox. So here we use a and an before singular nouns. Okay, have you got it? Yes. Now once again go through the paragraph. Okay, once again I will read, just listen it. Yesterday Amisha went to the zoo with her parents. First she saw a bear, a lion and a tiger. Later she saw an elephant. She had an apple and ice cream for lunch. After lunch she saw a camel and a zebra. Later she saw an ostrich and an owl. Okay, and the words in the italics, that is the words a and an, are called as articles. Okay, now we will move towards the next. So here we go. Wait a minute. So what? We use before nouns beginning with a consonant sound. See now, we use a before nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Now what are the consonants that we will see now? Just Read this once again. We use a before the nouns beginning with consonant sound. They should begin with the consonant sound. Then what we will do? We use a before it. Then next, example, a man, a ball, a park, a bench. Okay. Now, we use a before consonant sounds. Now see, we use a and an before nouns beginning with vowel sounds. And when we use an before beginning with consonant, it is beginning with vowel sound. When we will use a, we use a before consonant sounds and we use an before vowel sounds. Yes. See the examples? An apple, an eye, an orange, an owl. Okay, so these are the examples. Now see what are the vowels and what are the consonants, so that we will get an idea where to use a and an. Okay, see. English has 26 letters. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters, 21 consonants and 5 vowels. And in that 21 are the consonants and 5 are the vowels. Okay. See, English has 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. 21 are consonants and in that 21 are the consonants and 5 are vowels and the remaining 5 are the vowels. Okay. See now, what are the consonant letters? Consonant letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 21 consonants. How many consonants? 21 consonants, isn't it? See once again, consonant letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the consonant letters. Now how many vowels were there? Yes, there were 5 vowels. So now see vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. So how many? 5. So 5 were the vowels. So 21 consonants, 5 vowels, isn't it? Now all the consonant letters have a consonant sound most of time. And most of time what happens? All the consonant letters have consonant sound most of the time. All the vowel letters have vowel sounds most of the time. And most of the time consonant letters have consonant sounds and vowel letters have vowel sounds. So have you got what are the consonants and what are the vowels? Once again we will see, just pay attention here. English has 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. In that 21 are consonants, isn't it? In that 21 are consonant and 5 are vowels. Okay. Consonant letters, how many? 21. And what are they? They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 21 consonant letters. Now vowel letters, how many vowel letters do we have? 5. And what are they? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And all the consonant letters have consonant sounds most of the time, and all the vowel letters have vowel sounds most of the time. Okay. Have you got? Now we will practice. Okay, what we will do? Now we will practice some questions based on our understanding of where to use a and where to use an. Okay. See now, choose a or an. What we have to do? Yes, we have to choose what it will come in front of this. What is it, children? This is a duck, isn't it? This is a duck. So, how the spelling begins? The spelling begins with D, D-U-C-K, duck. D is a vowel or consonant? Yes, it is a consonant. So, we have to strike this an because the right answer is a duck, isn't it? The right answer is a duck. Now the next one, what do you see in the picture? This is a battery, isn't it? This is a battery. So the spelling of battery starts with B. B is a consonant or vowel? Yes, it is a consonant. See here, B, and here it is D, isn't it? So these are the consonant. So now what we will write here? The word beginning with consonant, what will come in front? Before? Yes, a will come. So you have to strike here an. So what is the right answer? A battery. A battery. Next, what do we see in this picture? Helicopter, isn't it? This is a helicopter. It starts with H, so we have to strike an because it is a consonant, isn't it? A helicopter. Now, the next example, a or an balloon, what will come here? Yes, it is a balloon, isn't it? It is a balloon because it is consonant. Very good. Now the next, a or an arrow, what will come here? Think and tell. Yes, very good. It will come an arrow. Now we have to strike here a. Okay, an arrow. Why, students, it is an arrow? Yes, because the spelling of arrow starts with A and it is having the sound of vowel, an arrow. Okay, so it is an arrow. Now take down in your textbook, do it fast. Once again, a duck, a battery, a helicopter, a balloon, an arrow. Okay, now we will move towards the next. See here. Now what do we see in this? Same we have to do. We have to choose a or an. Okay. So here what will come here? A engine or an engine? Yes, it is an engine. So strike off a. An engine. Engine is a, E is a vowel. So an engine. A rocket or an rocket? Yes, it is a rocket. Isn't it? It is a rocket because R is a consonant. Next one, a fish or an fish? Yes, it is a fish. So strike an. A fish. Isn't it? A fish. Why a fish? Because F is a consonant. Next, a or an television? Yes, it is a television. Isn't it? A television. T is a consonant or vowel? Yes, it is a consonant. Now the next, a angel or an angel? It is an angel, isn't it? An angel. Why an angel? Because A is a vowel. So here we have did. Now take down in your textbook. Do it fast. An engine, a rocket, a fish, a television, an angel. Okay. So now children, see here articles. What are these? Articles. And how many? O and an. Okay. Articles O and an. We use the article A before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. See what it says? We use the article before nouns that begin with, before the nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Okay. Before what? Before that nouns which begins with consonant sound. Here a ball, a mouse, a friend, a doll, a zebra, a picnic, a robot, isn't it? Now see, when we have to use a, we use article a before nouns that begin with a consonant sound. So in this all the examples, the beginning is with a consonant sound. So what we have used? We have used a before the consonant sounds. Okay. See it carefully. Then we will move for the next. Okay, done. See now what the next. See. We use the article an, and when do we use article an? We use the article an. We use the article an before nouns beginning with, before the nouns beginning with vowel sounds. Before the nouns beginning with vowel sounds, what do we use in front? We use before it, we use an. For example, an orange, an arrow, an igloo, an elephant, an umbrella, an ice cream, and an ice cream. So these all are the examples of the sounds that begins with the vowel sounds. The words that begins with the vowel sounds. Once again, an orange, an arrow, an igloo, an elephant, an umbrella, an ice cream. Okay, so go through it once again. Now we will move to our next question from let us practice. Okay, so now we will practice our one more question. Read the nouns. What we have to do, see? Read the nouns, then add a or an in the blanks. And what we have to do? In these blanks we have to add a or an. Okay, we have to add a or an. Example, a friend. What is the example? A friend. Friend is a consonant, isn't it? So, a friend. Next, what will come in this blank? A or an? Yes, here we will use an. A-N, an elbow. Why it is an elbow? Because the starting letter is E, that is vowel, isn't it? A-E-I-O-U. How many vowels were there? 5, isn't it? So, here an elbow. Next, an aunt. An aunt. An eyebrow, isn't it? An eyebrow. A game. A game. An animal. An animal. A bottle. What will come? A bottle. And a banana. Isn't it? A banana. So see here. A friend, because the sound is of consonant. So a friend. An elbow. Why it is an elbow? Because the sound is of vowels, isn't it? So before the vowel, what we use? Yes, we use an elbow. An aunt. It is an aunt. Why an aunt? Because the beginning is with vowel sounds. An eyebrow. Beginning is with vowel sounds. A game. Beginning is with consonant sounds. An animal. Beginning is with, yes, with vowels. A bottle. Beginning is with consonant. A banana. Beginning is with consonant sounds. So take down in your textbook. So students, in today's class we have seen where to use articles a and an. Have you understood it? Okay. Now the further part of this lesson we will continue in the next class. Till then, take care.